as you can see, I'm planning to come back to Nigeria this December, but I'm receiving a lot of threats. So my life worth more than all these threats and all this harassment. So now I have decided to cancel my tickets. I am no longer coming, so that I will continue exposing JPAC. I have received a lot of threats. Now, the only thing that will make me come back to Nigeria is when you guys send your Interpol. So please, if you come across this video, I would like you to share it.
Okay, Chinjaka. Hi, wani buamo, karisia. Hey, chile kinda. Eji mwani egwe, wanya ato mugom. Ogechi, come to Nigeria, you not do anything, no. Daniel or Hillary, you will not do anything. Fukana Kosan, yeah. Ogechi came back to Nigeria, back to back. What do you hear, man?
Okay, I don't see Amabi. Ogechi Njaka is no more coming back to Nigeria. You understand me? Ogechi Njaka, karisia, according to my brother Zion. The only way people will respect you more, and people will believe but in Nigeria, but in the live broadcast, in our life 2 to 3 hours. Ona is a me in America. Come back to Nigeria. We welcome you well. You understand me? So you know, so all this is where they talk. You know, it's a lie, na allegations, na lie. That's why they run. If not, according to you, you don't book your ticket, and according to you, you don't cancel the ticket for where you know the fear face. But in Nigeria, can we get attack Bacha? Machi. If but in Nigeria, yeah, you don't go see like where you use go back. I told you, Proka. But I was even thinking that now, Akozion Udume, so now you protect again. Okay, you will come back to Nigeria. We are more rugged than you think. Oh, we are more rugged than we think. Oh, use that your connection, protect her now. Let her come back to Nigeria. Open the Igbo. It's only Igbo police name and the man arrest, name and the man intimidate. Onye kwoku achọ legal team oji police emogo Jesus oji police arrest. Use that your connection, protect her, let her come back to Nigeria. Okay, you will come back to Nigeria and nothing will happen. Let her come back now. Chinaka be made arrest. This one no be born. Try am, you go see, make she enter. Give my contact room somewhere, no be joke.
Ebony son, Ebony lost son. Ebony criminal son. Imananda Anambra na-eme ndị Ebony accused. No ha na-egbu ndị mmadụ na Anambra State. No ha na-eme a lot of things. It's not all Ebony people. All particular where you come from and your family members. Imana all the Kampagi a lot of women. Your great grandfather loro a lot of women. So the tribe and the people Hamon kidnap madu. I know you have been longing to kidnap me, you have been longing to kill me, you have been longing to hire Daboribe in na ghetto. You know, or he just choishim. Ebony Lawson, all we begin in America. I am a dual citizen. You can equally get a visa, come to America, and come and get your head. Why do you want me to come where you will maneuver people? Can't you go and get a visa? I could begin a Ghana embassy. Go with a visa. Why do you want me to come to Nigeria? Where aim at that anything is possible? Where people get common 5,000 naira boom madu. Ebony son, Uchegi agaheme. I am not coming, no. So your plan wumbata Nigeria na ga muka abacha. So his son na plan it to come and kill me and kidnap me. Well, it's quite unfortunate. As everybody comes here, they visit and go, and they look for somebody, and I am with a problem. But in America, they are going to even Ibu amu, ni na hete bleaching. Yeah, that you're useless apamu. But I here. Okay, stop looking for my head. Allow us to be battling it on social media. Amami yono naturally shim. Ubuti so ichoro ki bupu ishi abupu onwa. Ebony son mto iga home igere pubu this time. I know you a rapist. I know ndane rape umu in Anambra State. Aburum na ga home. You're not gonna see me because I know I'm with a good people in Ebony State. But all ndaho your great grandfather mono basha chair in Ebony State. ama m na ọwa ebe ahụ ka ochi na-achọ isi m ịchọgbuo onwe gị nke a ka ị ga-achọ gachọ. I know they come bịa kpụrụ m na this country bịa kpụrụ m lekwa ha. You see how tasty unu dị to suck my blood. Ntọ jee rụọ ọrụ this December ego kidnapper aga aba gị n'aka ma ọ ka ishi gị na okongbu dibia na jee paaki na kezi aha ya gị nwa ọkụnụ shiga plan ya ga kidnap pụọ onye eze Jesus today till now onye eze Jesus apụtabe ya wo aka gị nọ na ya aka okongbu